Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unpin Instagram comment. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit at your profile picture to open up your profile page, and after that just hit at some post and then hit right here to bring up that post's comments. As you can see, I got pinned comment here, right there it says pinned, and in order to unpin that comment, all you have to do is just swipe left at that comment. As you can see, this pin icon is now highlighted. That means that this comment is pinned, and you can just tap on that to unpin that comment, and after that just confirm it by hitting at unpin. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.